In this video, we will explore the enigmatic mark of the crescent moon on the thumb, a mystical symbol believed to indicate an extraordinary destiny. We will unravel how this mark can influence different aspects of your life, from health and love to prosperity and leadership. Together, we will discover how this special connection with the universe can enhance your intuition, transform your ability to manifest desires, and strengthen your interpersonal relationships. Before we begin, I invite you to subscribe to the channel, like, and share our videos with anyone who wishes to have their life transformed. Stay until the end, as I have reserved an exclusive gift, a special moment that only those who remain until the end will understand. Get ready for a journey of self-discovery and empowerment, where we will learn to utilize the unique gifts conferred by this small yet powerful mark. Imagine for a moment looking at your hands. These hands, which have held dreams, faced challenges, and built your story, have a special mark, almost imperceptible to careless eyes, but incredibly powerful. It is the mark of the crescent moon on the thumb. It's not just a line or a common symbol. It's a sign that you are destined for something extraordinary. Today, we will embark on a journey together to discover what this mark means and how it can transform your life. The moon has always been a mystical symbol, shrouded in mystery and magic. Just as it influences the tides and marks the phases of time, this small mark on your thumb is a window to your infinite potential. People from all over the world, from different cultures and eras, have looked to the night sky for answers. Now, this quest brings them here to personal discovery through a simple mark. You may be wondering how a mark can hold such significance. Throughout history, humans have attributed great importance to symbols. They serve as bridges between the material and spiritual worlds, the visible and the invisible. In the case of the mark of the crescent moon, it symbolizes the ability to deeply connect with the universe and access a wisdom that many only dream of. But what does this mean in practice? It means that you are equipped with a special sensitivity to perceive things that others cannot. Perhaps you have felt this before: a sudden intuition, a premonition that proved true, or an ease in understanding others' emotions. This mark is your internal compass, guiding you through life's challenges and pointing out opportunities that others may not see. Stay tuned, because I'm now going to talk about how this mark can influence your life, from health and love to prosperity and leadership. Let's explore how this mark can influence your health. Imagine that your body is a map with paths that can lead to a full life or to challenges. The mark of the crescent moon on your thumb is like a beacon, illuminating the path to well-being. People with this mark often have incredible resilience, an ability to quickly recover from stressful situations, and to maintain their health even in difficult times. And what about love? Love. Those with the mark of the crescent moon possess a unique ability to connect on a deeper level. They have the ability to see beyond the masks we all wear, reaching the core of the true essence of people. This makes them compassionate partners, loyal friends, and passionate lovers. They are indeed old souls who bring light to the lives of those they love. Financially, having the mark of the crescent moon is like possessing a secret key that unlocks doors to prosperity and opportunities. It's not that money comes easily to these people, but they have a natural knack for good opportunities and wise decisions. Combined with their natural intuition, they can navigate the complex world of finances with a grace that seems almost magical. This special connection with the universe also means that people with the mark of the crescent moon often find themselves in leadership positions. They have a unique ability to inspire and motivate others, to see the future, and to chart a clear path to achieve it. They are visionaries, innovators, people who not only dream, but also make those dreams a reality. The biggest question is, how can you begin to access and use these incredible gifts? The first step is to recognize and accept your mark as an essential part of who you are. This means embracing your intuition, trusting in your abilities, and being open to learning more about the depths of your being. It's a journey of self-discovery that can be incredibly rewarding and transformative. Now, you may be wondering how you can further develop these abilities and truly start living the life you are destined for. This involves understanding deeply the nature of manifestation, how our thoughts and actions can create realities. And here is where we enter a fascinating field of possibilities and learning. Manifestation is not just wishing for something and hoping it happens. It's an active process of aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your deepest goals and desires. This means living consciously and intentionally, something that your special mark can help you do more effectively. People with the mark of the crescent moon have an intrinsic connection to the rhythm of the universe. They can feel the subtleties of the energies around them, and, with that perception, adjust their actions according to what is most conducive to manifesting their desires. For example, they may intuitively know the best time to start a new project or to withdraw to reflect and recharge energies. This harmony with the universe also brings great responsibility, the power to influence the environment and the people around. With this ability comes the need to develop a strong ethic, ensuring that your actions and manifestations are always for the common good. It's about using this gift to create harmony and prosperity, not just for yourself but for all involved. Moreover, the mark of the crescent moon gives you the ability to connect with your spiritual guides or with your intuition in a deeper way. Many cultures believe that each person is accompanied by spiritual guides who help navigate life. With this mark, you may be more receptive to the messages and signs that these guides send, which can be extremely helpful in times of indecision or difficulty. And what about interpersonal relationships? Those with the mark of the crescent moon have a special gift for resolving conflicts and promoting peace. They can easily see both sides of an issue and bring a unique perspective that is both healing and inspiring. This not only enhances their personal relationships, but also makes them valuable mediators and counselors in their communities. The journey of self-discovery is also deeply enriched by the presence of this mark. It encourages the bearer to explore areas of their life that may have been neglected or forgotten. This may include developing hidden talents, exploring old interests, or even rediscovering lost passions. The mark of the crescent moon is a constant reminder that it is never too late to explore new horizons. Reflecting on personal development, it is crucial to understand that authenticity is key. Being true to who you are, honoring your mark and your unique gifts, is what truly allows you to shine and manifest your best life. It's a matter of embracing your uniqueness and using it as a strength, not as a weakness. Now, let's consider how you can begin to apply this knowledge practically in your daily life. This involves creating a space that promotes reflection and personal growth. Perhaps this means rearranging your living environment to reflect your values and support your goals. Or perhaps it means establishing routines that nurture your mind, body, and spirit. Consistency is crucial when it comes to manifestation. It may be tempting to veer off course when results are not immediate, but the mark of the crescent moon encourages us to persevere. Creating daily rituals that align your intentions with your actions can serve as powerful reminders of your goals and the power you have to achieve them. Incorporating meditation and visualization into your routine can be extremely beneficial. These practices not only calm the mind and reduce stress, but also strengthen your connection to your inner self and to universal energy. Visualizing yourself achieving your goals and feeling the emotions associated with those successes can create a powerful magnetic attraction that pulls those manifestations into your reality. Moreover, understanding that every small step counts is vital. Often, big dreams can be daunting, and we may feel lost about where to begin. The mark of the crescent moon can guide you to take small, consistent steps that over time add up to significant transformations. This journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Focusing on developing a growth mindset is also essential. Learning to see challenges as opportunities to learn and grow, rather than insurmountable obstacles, can completely change your life trajectory. The mark of the crescent moon reminds us that every experience is a chance to expand our horizons and strengthen our ability to manifest. The practice of gratitude also plays an important role. Being grateful for what you already have and for the blessings that are on the way can not only improve your mood, but also raise your vibrational frequency, attracting more of what is good and desirable into your life. The mark of the crescent moon teaches us to cherish every moment and every small victory along the way. Remember that manifestation is also about balance. While you pursue your dreams, it's also important to take care of yourself and maintain your relationships. Nurturing your health, friendships, and family creates a supportive environment that is crucial for any kind of long-term success. Finally, the mark of the crescent moon teaches us about the impermanence of all things and the importance of flowing with the changes of life. Embracing change, even when it is uncomfortable, can lead to unexpected opportunities and new ways of seeing the world. Each change is a chance to realign our desires with what is truly possible and necessary for us at this moment. With these practices and perspectives, you are not only empowered to manifest your dreams, but also to live a life full of purpose and meaning. Remember, the mark of the crescent moon is not just a symbol of your potential. It's a call to action to live authentically and powerfully. These reflections constitute a guide for you to explore and expand your horizons, always recognizing the powerful influence that the mark of the crescent moon has on your personal and spiritual journey. Now, as promised, I will deliver an exclusive gift to you, a special trigger of the law of attraction inspired by the half moon on your finger. At this moment, I invite you to close your eyes and visualize the bright half moon on your thumb, radiating a magnetic energy that attracts all your dreams and desires closer to you. As you breathe deeply, imagine this half moon expanding, enveloping you with its protective and powerful light. Then, repeat 5 positive affirmations related to your goals, feeling the energy of the half moon amplifying each word you say. This simple exercise will connect you even more deeply with the energy of manifestation and pave the way for the realization of your dreams. Take this moment to raise your vibration and attract the abundance you deserve. Now, I would like to send good energy to all those who are seeking transformation. If you enjoyed this video and want to receive more inspiring content like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, and share with your friends and family. Together, we can spread light and wisdom to the world, transforming lives. Thank you for watching.